Approximately like how much?
Let's say 15K.
15. Okay, 15. 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey! So, if I was not here, that's how you will carry this 15,000 yam and put inside her hand to cook only one pot of soup. Is this the pot of life? Hey!
Mama, we usually make it enough to last for a week.
Shut your mouth! For 1 week, 15,000.
Mama.
Are you cooking for the entire community and the governor of the state? Hey!
Mama.
15,000! Hey, you are too wasteful.
Mama, calm down. She already explained.
I don't buy that explanation. You know that I hate waste in my life. I hate from waste in these hard times. With this economy, you'll be spending money like that. Hey! 5,000 is enough. Any cut of soup you want to cook, even if it is Queen Elizabeth you're cooking for, in a tear diamond.
It's okay, Mama. Don't worry, Mama. Thank you so much. She will manage that one. It's okay. Let's go.
Young girls of nowadays, they only just to be doing fashion. They don't know how to economize. Bia, I've been looking for you since. Oh, correct, ma.
Ma, good morning.
Collect these clothes from me. Wash them. I need it to be dry within 1 hour. You iron and bring inside.
Mama, our washerman is not around. He comes only weekend, so let me keep it for him. When he comes, he will wash it for me.
Hey, it's washerman.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay him?
Yes, we pay him.
Hey! Bia, water. It's like when I'm telling you one thing, it's entering one ear and going out of the other ear. Maybe it's because of this big bush you kept on your head. Breeze is not entering your brain.
Ma.
Have I not been singing it like a song? Don't waste, don't waste, don't waste. Prudence! People are looking for how to waste my son's money. Why can't you wash the clothes by yourself and wash your husband's own?
Mama, we were having washing machine, but it got spoiled. Then I was washing it myself, and I got sprained wrist, so I have to.
I got a sprained wrist. Sprained wrist from ordinary washing cloth. Fake Ajabal life. Bia, is it lion that you are fighting with that your hand will break? My friend, if you cannot wash it, why don't you give it to one guy here? What is he working here? Is it not just to be opening gate and closing it? How many people are going through inside and outside the gate?
You, Mama, let me keep it. When he comes, I'll give it to him.
I don't want anybody. I say you should take it. Take this thing from me. Take it and wash it.
Mama, see. When he comes, you wash it for me. I beg.
You drop my cloth on the ground.
Hello, darling.
Honey, I'm almost home with Mama. I hope the food is ready.
All is ready, honey. I'm waiting for you.
Owen is also here with us, so accommodate him.
No problem, darling. Darling, no problem.
See you later, my love.
Love you too. Okay. Hurry up.
Thank you. Take that out, eh?
The corporal.
You're welcome, sir.
How are you now?
Correct, okay. With people like you, I'm in the safe hands.
Corporal. This is my mother. Huh?
Correct, man.
Ma, this is a new security guard. That old one, I sent him away. He's incapable.
That one can eat. He likes food too much. That's the only thing he knows. Hey.
Mama, I welcome you especially. I am a former force officer. I am called Corporal. I'm in charge of everybody here, taking care of them. So you are welcome and you are in the safe hand. Corporal 1. Correct, sir.
The Corporal. Well done. No. As you are guarding us, God will also guard you. Amen.
Correct, Mama, let's go. Bring the bag.
Corporal.
Hey.
Mama, easy.
Hey. I'm tired.
I know, Mama.
Hey.
Mom, welcome. Pleased to meet you, ma.
It's nice to meet you too.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you.
Mama, that's Annabel. The lady I told you about.
Okay, Chai. Oh, Makazi. Fine girl.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Annabel, take the luggage and take Mama upstairs to the room.
Okay.
Mama, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Happy to meet you, ma.
Okay. Same here. Why your pal? Easy.
Bro,
The way you are, the box is fatter than
come on,
you.
good news day. A lot of good news.
Okay.
So check this out. I'm communicating with her through her uncle, and he assures me that she's going to come back to me.
That's good news now.
Bro, great news, man. Great news.
How about the other lady, please? What's her name?
Dami.
Dami.
Bro, Dami is fine. You know, Dami is a good girl. She's nice. I actually like her. I would have actually loved to marry her. I won't lie to you, but yes, now she makes sense. Well, you know, I already have Nancy and my son in the picture. I wouldn't want to mess things up. I won't lie to you. The truth is, I'm confused.
I know.
I'm confused. I just wish Nancy could just make up her mind sooner rather than later so that it could make things easy. I wouldn't want to lose Nancy and still lose Dami again. And Dami is already asking questions about what are we, you know, asking me to define our relationship and all of that.
I get.
Bro, it's crazy. It's crazy.
But you don't get problem now. That player you be.
You don't say I
See,
don't know.
I don't want to give you any advice. All right? Because I know you know what is best for you.
Don't worry about me. I can handle myself. But what about you? How far are you and Annabel now? When are you going to see her family?
I know what you want to say, family and all that. Yes, you know, and that's why my mother is here. Okay? So if she approves of her, then straight, I'm going to see her family.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's very great. Because I'm not going to lie to you. Annabel, she's a good one.
I know, let me get off some drink.
Come. I never finished. Sit down. You're always in a hurry. Calm down. See.
I'm done, ma. In a few minutes, I'll serve your lunch and I'll come and call you.
Biagodo. Come and stand here. Do you know that I am not happy with you?
Oh, ma, have I done anything wrong?
Did my son not tell you that he is my only son? And that I went through a lot to raise him to the man he is today?
He told me, ma.
Since he told you, why then did you decide to keep him to yourself? Keeping him away from me. You are denying me the right to enjoy the fruit of my labor.
Mama, I'm not responsible for that. Owen is always busy at work. When he leaves home in the morning, it's only evening time he comes home. And sometimes I don't even see his face. And as for meeting you, Mama, I've always been asking him. And he kept on postponing until you came. And I'm so happy to meet you, Mama. See?
Anyway, Me, I'm not happy with you. I won't tell the lie. But you can go.
Mama, you let me prepare your food. I'll be right back.
Bia. Get hot water that I'll use to bath. Prepare hot water for me.
I'm always at your service, Mama.
And then make a shake. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me.
Obed, what's my place with you? Define this relationship. Who am I to you?
Honey. Baby, are we still talking about this? We've had this conversation before. I've told you 1,000,000 times and over. I love you, and you know it. You know.
Are we getting married, Obed? Or I'm just holding the candle for your wife to come back? I even heard you've made arrangements for her to be back.
Well, it's true. It's true. I won't lie. There are talks of reconciliation. Baby, I'm really sorry. Listen. Baby.
Obed, please.
Babe. We are still talking. Where are you? Babe, where are you going? We can talk about this. Babe, wait. Don't. Babe, I love you. We can discuss this. You don't have to go like that. Babe, you don't have to go like that. I love you. Babe, we can talk about it. Please, babe. Baby, where are you going? We can talk about it.
You see, you you're very, very wicked. Now you be the most wicked person who I don't see for this life. You see this the way they say it? If you chasing her because of all those cheap girls where they come, you know go fit the person will be like him. Not be even die your nonsense wife where they plan to go carry come. Now go be like him. Ever.
Mumu. So it's
Yes,
you, right?
Now me. I fear you. Now me. You want on the investigate you. I'ma tell you. No even think say as this girl don't they go say you don't go scot-free. He said all this knack where don't they knack am for 1 full year. You go pay. Oh. You must not pay. That house rent won't pay. Now you go pay am. No other person go pay am. If you not pay that rent, man, you go see what you be that. Who you dey do am for? Now who you dey do am for? You want beat me? No, beat me now. Beat me. You want beat me? Nonsense. So free kill you for them. What happen? Nonsense.
Dami.
Oga, can you just move this move If you get make jam am.
Yes, I know. Hey, don't worry. Don't worry, okay? Mama, come.
No. You're already going to work?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Good morning, Mama. Hope you slept well.
I slept well, thank you. Have you eaten something?
Oh, yes, I've eaten. My wife to be Annabel served me breakfast in bed. So I'm okay. Mama, I'm going to work, so I'll be calling you from time to time. And I can assure you that you are in good hands. Annabel will take care of you.
It's all right.
All right, Mama. Before I forget, you mentioned a list of items that you wanted to get from the market. How much would that be?
I paused the list because I need to find out from Mama the soup she would like me to prepare.
Okay. So,
Mama.
Onubo or rasu. Anyone is fine.
Okay, then we will go with the list because the difference is not too much. I will only add the one that Mama.
Approximately like how much?
Let's say 15K.
15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, if I was not here, that's how you will carry this 15,000 yam and put inside her hand to cook only 1 pot of soup. Is this the pot of life? Hey!
Mama, we usually make it enough to last for a week.
Shut your mouth! For 1 week, 15,000.
Mama.
Are you cooking for the entire community and the governor of the state? Hey!
Mama.
15,000! Hey, you are too wasteful.
Mama, calm down. She already explained.
I don't buy that explanation. You know that I hate waste in my life. I hate from waste in these hard times. With this economy, you'll be spending money like that. Hey! 5,000 is enough. Any cut of soup you want to cook, even if it is Queen Elizabeth you're cooking for, in a tear diamond.
It's okay, Mama. Don't worry, Mama. Thank you so much. She will manage that one. It's okay. Let's go.
Young girls of nowadays, they only just to be doing fashion. They don't know how to economize.
Oh, honey.
Hey, wait. It's okay. Hey, easy. Listen. I know what you're about to say. All right? Listen to me. You see that woman in there, my mother? She suffered to raise me. Okay? And if there's one thing that she taught me, it's prudence. She doesn't like to waste. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. Listen, baby. Calm down. I'm going to add this money to it. The money she took from me. Yes, take it. Make sure that you prepare the soup well because that's a favorite. All right? Enough meat. You know I love a lot of meat.
I know.
And my mother loves a lot of meat too. Come on, smile. Smile for me. Look at you. Turn around. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Take care of yourself. You know I love you.
I know. I love you too.
Come here. All right. Okay, so
All right,
my bag, baby.
I almost forgot.
Corporal.
Ish. Stand there. Am I your mate?
Oh, no, Mama. Have I done anything to indicate that?
You have done everything to indicate. I used this my mouth to tell you that 5,000 naira is enough to cook that soup. But you went outside. You now went outside like rat to collect it from the back from my son.
He gave it to me, Mama.
He gave it to you. But I instructed you not to take that money. But you went. So if my son told you to put your hand inside fire, you too, you carry your hand and put inside the fire. As he was giving you the money, he was even turning you around. Like people dancing ballet. Ask about me very well. Ask about Cecilia. You are not the first girl that my son has brought to me for approval. There has been a long line of them. If you are not careful, you will live the way the other ones also left. Inanu?
I've heard.
Ngwa, bring that money. Bring that. Pick it up. In a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is enough.
I've heard you, Mama.
Economize.
Honey, this is not funny. Immediately I came into the house, do you know Mama took back the 10K you gave me? Honey, don't worry. I'll manage the 5K. I just wanted you to know that it's not enough, but I'll manage it. I don't want to disobey her.
I'll talk to you later. Yeah? All right, take care.
Chigizo Putarake. You are very lucky that you did not take back that money from him. If you had tried it, by now you will be packing your bag and baggages out of this house. You were calling my son to report me. So that what will happen? Look at me and listen very closely. My son only does what I tell him to do. So next time you are feeling the inspiration to report me to my son, don't bother wasting your saliva. Ihunanya Chukwu baruba, ihunanya.
Mama, please, your food is ready.
Thank you.
All right.
Annabel!
Mama!
Hey! Annabel!
Mama, please, you called me.
How dare you? How dare you put only one piece of meat in my soup? In a yala!
Mama, that was the much I could buy with the money I had. I bought 7 pieces.
I'm not interested in this cooking food that you are telling me. Do you know it is an insult? An abomination to give Agadi wine just one piece of meat?
I know, and I tried to avoid that by collecting enough money to buy meat. But you insisted I manage the one I have. I thought you even eat one meat.
In that case, why could you not sacrifice your own meat for me?
Mama, I can't eat without meat. I would rather not eat.
Cecilia, no pause. Go to the kitchen and bring another piece of meat here. Mata amagonye Cecilia bo. You see this piece of meat? This is your own share of the meat from this soup.
Mama, are you trying to say that I shouldn't eat there?
Come, Basarake. That is your business, however you want to do it. Carry this thing and get out of here.
Thank you.
Hey! Oshimaka did without meat. I will drill you in this house. I'm a dish English. Hey. Get me now.
Hey. Well, hello. Dami. Dami, don't tell me you're missing that idiot.
I'm only regretting the time I wasted with him, thinking he has something to offer. If he hadn't discovered his move to reconcile with his wife, I wouldn't have known.
So, that's why you're here doing muji. Better drop it all. We'll have a bigger fight, a more serious situation in front of us. We'll have 2 days to pay our rent, else we'll find ourselves on the streets. So you better get up and know what you will do. Oh yeah, he's going to collect the money from him. Oh.
I called my manager. He said there is no money.
What are you calling manager for, Dami? I said Obed will give us the money. Tomorrow we'll go, he will give us the money. Your same manager. Is your manager owing you? Obed will provide that money. That's 700k. He will give it to us.
What if he doesn't have it?
If he doesn't have the money, who else will have the money? Is it you?
Relax now.
I call him. Call him! Call him.
Hello, Obed. Hello, Obed. I'm not here, honey.
Come on, baby. We don't have to keep quarreling over this. At least we could still be friends.
The money I asked you, the money you promised that you were going to give me concerning this rent, I actually need it urgently today.
Babe, I don't have the money now.
You are mad. You are very, very mad, Obed. You don't have money, Abi, but you have proof to be sleeping with somebody's daughter for the past 1 year. You don't have money. See, let me tell you, Obed or whatever it is they call you. If you don't have that money by tomorrow that we will see you, you will see what will happen. Better go and borrow. If you don't have, go and borrow. Because tomorrow, you must pay that 700,000. Rubbish. 700,000. Is it too much?
My body is not for sale.
Who is this? Your body is not for sale. Well, I've put your body up for sale. Somebody cannot be knacking you, steady knacking for 1 full year. 700 is
what?
Cheap. It's cheap.
Hey, but 700k is too much now.
Too much for who to pay?
700k?
Yes.
My body is not for sale.
Who is
and we
it?
didn't have any
Keep
contract.
quiet, see. Your own
have
is
any
for
contract
free.
that he was going to give me any money after anything
the
now.
contract started immediately you opened your legs. That's when the contract. He signed it. You say you did not do
this
what?
graduate that you're always doing, you put us in trouble.
Look at you should even be ashamed of yourself. Steady
You put us in
knacking.
trouble.
You were
Jesus.
steady knacking.
This
You were
your
living
voice
in
now.
his house. 700k is even small. You should be charging him like 10 million and above. And saying 700k is too much. Let him not have that money by the time we go there tomorrow.
Oh, correct, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're
Corporal.
welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Thank you. Hey,
Mom.
Mama, good evening.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
How was your day?
Hectic as usual. How was yours?
Fine, thank you. I'm sure you're hungry by now.
Super hungry.
Yeah, I see your food is ready here. Come.
Oh. Let me wash my hand quickly, Mama. I can't wait to mark that food, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, can you help me with this?
Okay, no problem. I'm here for you. Hey.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Mama, where are all the meat in the soup? How come it's just one piece of meat?
Oh, she also gave you one piece of meat. She also gave me the same thing, one lonely piece of meat. That was after she went to the kitchen and do Zala and finished eating there. Then she presented one piece of meat.
She gave you one piece of meat?
One
in my house?
In this house.
Is she mad?
in our job. Not be you, Mariam.
Annabel! Mama,
hey!
where is she?
She should be upstairs, rubbing her stomach after she has filled it up with food.
Annabel!
Hey, the meat was lonely at the top. Lonely, yeah, lonely.
Why do I have one piece of meat in the soup? And why did you give my mother one piece of meat in the soup?
The money was not enough.
Are you serious right now? Huh? But I insisted that I'll make transfer to you, didn't I?
Your mom was listening to our conversation and she said...
Look what you're saying. Look at yourself. My mom wasn't it. Listen to yourself. Nonsense. I said I was going to send you the money and then you were just saying nothing. Nonsense.
Please tell me how you feel about me, because I really love me. Don't let me perish in life.
Darling,
Oh.
I need to have a word with you.
Come on, can't it wait? Can't it wait?
I want to talk to you about something.
Alright, just go ahead, I'm listening.
I think your mom doesn't like me.
Why do you say so?
Because she said it indirectly.
Come on. You know my mom, alright? She's just putting up all this attitude because she wants to test your patience. To see if you can endure. So she gets to know if you're good for me or not. Come on. I'm sure very soon the both of you are going to be best of friends. Hey, baby. Go back to bed.
I'm just worried.
Don't worry, it's fine. Come.
My neighbor was lucky they didn't succeed in snatching his car. I thank God though.
God really saved him. And I salute the estate security.
Yeah, oh yeah.
If not for their gallant effort, he could have lost that car.
Sharp.
Bia, I've been looking for you since. Oh, correct, ma.
Ma, good morning.
Collect these clothes from me. Wash them. I need it to be dry within 1 hour. You iron and bring inside.
Mama, our washerman is not around. He comes only weekend, so let me keep it for him. When he comes, he will wash it for me.
Hey, it's washerman.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay him?
Yes, we pay him.
Hey! Water. It's like when I'm telling you one thing, it's entering one ear and going out of the other ear. Maybe it's because of this big bush you kept on your head. Breeze is not entering your brain.
Ah, ma.
Have I not been singing it like a song? Don't waste, don't waste, don't waste. Prudence! People are looking for how to waste my son's money. Why can't you wash the clothes by yourself and wash your husband's own?
Mama, we were having washing machine, but it got spoiled. Then I was washing it myself, and I got sprained wrist, so I have to.
I got a sprained wrist. Sprained wrist from ordinary washing cloth. Fake Annabel life. Bia, is it lion that you are fighting with that your hand will break? My friend, if you cannot wash it, why don't you give it to one guy here? What is he working here? Is it not just to be opening gate and closing it? How many people are going through inside and outside the gate?
You, Mama, let me keep it. When he comes, I'll give it to him.
I don't want anybody. I say you should take it. Take this thing from me. Take it and wash it.
Mama, see. When he comes, you wash it for me. I beg.
You drop my cloth on the ground.
Hey, babe. Come down.
Owen, in my whole life, with my parents, my mom or dad never slapped me. I've done everything to make your mom like me or appreciate me, but still, she slapped me.
Wait. What happened?
Your mom slapped me.
She slapped you? She just slapped you? What happened?
She said I didn't want the clothes. She asked me to wash her clothes, and I thought I had a spring wrist, and she said no. She was so insistent that I should wash it.
Okay.
Then I told her the washerman. You know the washerman?
Yes, I know.
I told her the washerman.
And I know that the washing machine is faulty, I know.
But she still went ahead and slapped me.
It's fine. So she slapped you after all this explanation? Come. Sit down. Come here. Sit here. It's okay. Mommy back. Mama, what is it with you and Annabel? Huh? Is it like you don't like her or what? Huh? Why don't you like this lady? Mama, because this is the lady I intend to marry you.
She's wasteful and lazy.
What do you mean she's wasteful and lazy? So does that warrant you to raise your hands at her? She's someone's child.
You don't even care about the fact that it's for your own good I'm doing this thing. It's for your own good I'm trying to train her and nurture her to be a good wife.
What are you talking about, Mama? Huh? So does that warrant you to physically attack her? If this is a problem, you need to talk to her calmly, verbally, but not touch her with your hand, slap her. Mama, why now? If it's another woman, she will not take this, you know that.
I know that you will support her. I know that you will support her again, against me. You're not even appreciating the fact that I'm trying to help you get a good wife. Somebody, now my words are useless to you now. I'm now old school. You have forgotten that I am the one that trained you and made you the man you are today. It is these same words I used in raising you. No problem. You came inside here shouting on my head. You did not even bother to notice that I am the one boiling my water by myself. This girl has left me to do everything by myself. You are not even bothered.
Mama.
You are just shouting at me. In your bedroom, no be.
Mama, it's okay. Mama.
I feel so unappreciated.
Mama, you appreciate me.
You don't appreciate me.
Mama, you should have called Annabel. Hey, Come here. It's okay. Listen. I had a word with my mother. And I just want to appeal to you, like plead, to accommodate her. Alright? I beg you. Shh. I am an only son. In fact, an only child. So if you accommodate her, she will accommodate you, meaning that we all could live in peace. So please, I beg you, do this for us.
I will accommodate her as long as she doesn't raise her hand on me again.
She will not. I promise you. She will not. See, I'll make sure of that. All right? It's fine. Don't cry. All right? Don't cry. Come here.
Your face means you. Hello, Obed. I won't take much of your time. It's about the money you promised to give to me. I beg you, I need it today, urgently.
I don't understand.
How are you? See, baby, calm down.
My landlord is about to throw us out of the house.
I don't have the money now, but you just have to put it. You can move in with me.
I beg you. Which kind of nonsense like be that? Oga, you go give us the money. You go, you want me to come enter inside house, make continue to the knack. Make the knack free knack, you like. Bring the money. We not come play. Just give us the money, more they go.
I mean, what rubbish is this, right?
Who they do rubbish?
Are you serious?
Hey, this man never
What rubbish is this?
he never see something.
Why did you come here with your brother?
Wait, did you say? Cities are following you come play.
Blood of Jesus.
Bro, cities are following you come play. You go give me the money, I be no give me. You go give me, record down. You go give me the money, I be no give me.
My sister,
you go give me the money.
My sister,
bro, you go give me the money.
My sister,
give us the money.
My sister,
Do transfer.
everywhere. People are looking at you.
I care, I don't care. You will care, give am.
I don't have. Will I go and steal?
You must steal, oh. You know, I don't take say me you borrow. I don't take me you borrow.
Please.
Give am. You have account number. Do transfer.
Dami.
Bros,
talk to your cousin now.
Bros, I'm going to stay enjoy you. I'm going to stay enjoy you. I don't follow you play, oh. I don't follow you play, oh.
I'm sorry, man.
Do the transfer.
I'm sorry. Okay, please. Just
do transfer. Do transfer.
Okay.
Yes. You want the knack free knack, but you don't want pay. If not so you carry for you no pay. You don't pay. Bros, I don't follow you play. I don't follow you play.
Okay. I'll make a call.
Do the transfer. Get shift.
I'll make a call now.
Yes, do one.
I will make a call. Just.
You want the fuck for free, mumu.
Where's my phone?
Mumu, make the knack for free.
Are you with my phone?
Go carry phone for road now.
My phone is here.
Do the transfer. Do one.
Dami, you brought here a mad woman. Sorry, not you.
Who be mad woman? Bros.
Why do you have to say something? I don't have to say anything. You honestly don't have to say something before it's funny. Look at your face.
Leave me.
Look at you. You're always acting like a baby. Hey, it's Owen, eh? Hold on, eh? Hey, my guy. Where are you? Eh? You're supposed to be here by now.
I did.
May I come back with the look us? Everyone they see us.
Bro, please, I need a little favor from you, right? There's an issue at hand and I need you to borrow me the sum of 700k. I'll pay back soon.
Guy, that is huge, oh. What are you doing with 700k this weekend? Or you have been kidnapped?
Bro, please, see, I cannot explain now, but I just need that amount. It's an urgent issue. When I come to your house, I will explain everything to you. Please, just send the money to my account, please.
Okay, you know what? Currently, I did some transactions, so I have about 500k in my account, so I can conveniently send you that.
500. In 500, you have sent it. Send it, please. My life is at risk. Please.
Okay. Relax now. I'll send it. Are you okay? Hello?
You say me transfer how much? 500. Now 700k will tell you. 700k now we'll talk. We'll not talk 500 though. 700 though.
My sister, please calm down. He has transferred 500k.
Yeah, do transfer.
Please, you guys should manage this one.
Do transfer
I will
now.
transfer it now to Dami. I have Dami's
Transfer
account.
you will. 20. I will go transfer now.
Don't worry, I have the account number. There's money.
Make transfer.
You
don't have it, I can call it. Transfer it now, please.
Transfer.
Please.
Nonsense.
It's okay, calm down.
You want the knack person pikin for 1 full year. You know let am go in my house. They knack. You no wan pay.
I'm sorry, ma.
Get check. If you get alert, you tell me.
Because I've not seen anything yet, so.
Okay.
I've transferred it to her.
Make the money enter. Now she said she never see him.
Maybe it's network.
She never see him, bro.
Just let her check.
Okay, what of us go there till he enter?
Dami, check.
I've not seen anything, Oga.
I've sent it now. Maybe it's network issue. Just check again. Refresh. Load.
It just came in now.
Nonsense. See wetin you carry. Your thing dey work, but nothing dey your account. Shame no dey catch you. Guy, see, I go chook you, eh? I go chook you. Wetin happen?
Please, that video that you guys made.
Which video?
That you guys just.
Which video?
Please delete the video. Please.
I don't understand, please. Money na 700, you pay 500. 500 remain now.
I will pay the remaining.
When you pay now, we got so something. No be collateral they call that.
Yes, sir.
We go hold collateral now. When you bring money, we pay
Take
you.
your video.
I'm gonna tell you, if you use us stay play. No, if you use and play, but no carry me play. If you can see this video, now that your wife.
Hey.
Now there I go send them.
Please,
Yes.
please,
They open
please,
the door, they
don't
go.
do. Please.
See, yes.
Tamper justice. Tamper message.
No, they go.
Tamper justice.
Mumu.
Please.
Mumu.
My sister.
No try yourself.
Dami. You brought a mad woman. Which?
Mama. Mama. Are you okay? Annabel just told me that you haven't eaten all day and you sent Corporal to go and buy you biscuit. Why is that? Huh?
Why are you asking as if you care? I know you are more concerned about your girlfriend.
Mama.
Go help more. Leave me.
Mama, you know that is not true. Huh? I care about you. Listen, you brought me up. You took care of me. And now it's my duty to take care of you, to protect you, to provide for you, Mama. And at any point when you make a mistake, I will let you know. But what I would not allow is for anyone to disrespect my own mother in my own house. For that one, that person must go. Huh?
I have heard you. Nam.
Yeah, Mama.
When are you introducing the girl you want to marry to me?
Mama, what are you talking about? How about Annabel?
Annabel is your girlfriend. When are you bringing the woman you want to marry home?
Mama, Annabel is not just my girlfriend. She's the woman I want to marry, Mama.
Annabel can never be the woman you want to marry. She is just somebody you are using to hold body because of cold in the night. That one, you are using her as blanket. I'm not talking about blanket. I'm talking about the wife material that you are ready to settle down with. That is the person I want to meet.
Mama, I don't know if you have any misunderstanding with her, but all these things you're talking about, the traits, the signs, whatever, I don't see those things, Mama.
No.
Annabel is a good girl, Mama.
What an elder sees sitting down, you can never see it standing up. Very soon, everything I'm complaining about, you will start to see it. So, carry on.
Okay, Mama. Don't worry, I will keep a close eye on her. It's okay, Mama. Mama, I'm good.
I thought you said you have a girlfriend. You were just praising her now. Tell her to give you food. No need for my own old school in Hannah. Let her give you
It's
new
okay,
school.
Mama. It's okay.
You're sick. I'll give you blanket food.
Copra. Copra.
Yeah. Where are you going to with that thing?
It's for Copra.
Copra. Yeah, go do. Is this food for 20 people? Eh?
No, it's for him alone.
Hey! Oh, yeah, what the can't see watching again? Everything I've been saying about waste, in our nonte. Eh? I don't blame you. Have you ever worked a day in your life? All you know how to do is to shake your bum for men to give you money.
Mama, see, I have done everything to respect you, but it seems you don't respect yourself. Because you don't know what respect is. Why? Are you the only person who has a son? Tell me, is that how your mother-in-law treated you? Ah!
How dare you talk to me like that? Eh? I will report you to my son. You will leave this house.
Will I die if I leave this house? Will I die? Tell me. Huh? Tell me. Ah! Excuse me.
Yeah. Eh! You see what I'll do to you? Owen! I want to go back to the village.
Mama, what happened, Mama?
It is better I go back to the village.
Mama, what happened?
Mama, take me back.
Mama, talk to me. Mama, what happened? Huh? Mama, I will take you back to the village. Tell me first, what happened?
It is Annabel. Oh, I don't know what I did to her.
Mama, come and sit.
No, I want to go back to the village.
Mama, I will take you, but tell me, what happened?
Annabel, I saw her carrying one tipper of rice. I said, where are you carrying all this food to? Is there a village meeting they're about to hold? She said, that she's carrying the food to go and meet Corporal. I said, this food is too much. This girl landed on me and started saying all sorts of things. This girl abused me from the crown of my head to the sole of my feet.
Mama, what exactly did she say, Mama?
Hey, there's nothing she didn't say. There's nothing she didn't say. Annabel! No, she's not in this side. She went towards the front.
Annabel!
Oh,
Mama, it's okay. Eh? Come on.
Annabel! I want to go, boy.
Annabel! Come. What did you tell my mama?
I didn't do anything.
I will slap you. What did you tell my mama?
Did you not tell me that I have no respect at my age? I don't respect myself. I don't respect my head. Is it not what you told me?
Honey, I was...
Is that what you told my mother?
No, honey, I didn't. I was going to give food to Copra and she collected the food from me and started berating me that for being wasteful.
Will you talk?
Honey, after that, she told me that because I've been using my bum to collect money from men, I don't respect.
Mama.
Can somebody be lying against me at my old age?
Wait.
I can't take
you are lying. So you are lying. Nonsense.
Don't kill her. I still have motherly love for her. It is better I go back to the village than you kill somebody. How do she love for what?
Mama, it's okay.
This girl doesn't love me the way I love her.
Mama, I have dealt with her, okay? I promise she would never talk to you like that again. Okay?
Yeah, man, I'm bedroom lobby. I just remembered your late father because I felt so unprotected.
Mama, I will protect you, Mama.
Hey, cover me with your shield.
I will cover you, Mama.
Protect me with your feather from noisome pestilence.
It's okay, Mama.
This girl wants to ravage my soul.
Darling,
Yes,
did you have to slap me?
yes.
Why? You have never done it before.
I want you. I told you I would do anything because of my mother.
Whether she's right
My
or wrong.
mother is always right.
And I'm always wrong.
Listen, I'm not ready for this argument, okay? So sorry about that mess.
I don't know what's wrong with the guy.
I know. Anyways, my name is Owen.
Okay. My name is Sonia.
Sonia, what is a beautiful lady like you doing under the sun?
Well, I'm just waiting for a taxi to take me to Cave Restaurant.
Cave Restaurant?
Yeah.
It's funny because that's exactly what I'm going to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, can I be your chauffeur? Can I drop you off?
Well, it's fine. Yeah, why not?
All
Thank
right,
you.
Sure.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Good evening, Mama.
What of Annabel? Didn't you people come back together?
What are you talking about, Mama? Annabel. I didn't go out with Annabel.
Hey.
She's not home.
Iman, every day, once you step out of the house, on Maple, she will just zoom off and she will not come back till just few minutes before you return home. But it's like she ran out of luck today and you came home before her.
Mama, you never told me this.
How will I tell you, Nam? I don't want you to accuse me of spoiling your relationship. I've been trying to find indirect ways to tell you, but in a
Wait, Mama. You're trying to say that she's been doing this countless times.
Time immemorial.
She's been going out and sneaking in before I return.
Without season.
Okay.
Agbojo. Such a beautiful girl.
Corporal, come in now. Mama, I am beginning to think that what you are saying is true. That she's useless and that she's stupid. See, Corporal. If you don't want to come here, stand here. Listen to me. Okay. If you don't want to lose your job.
Yes, sir.
Or if you don't want to spend some time in jail, do not open that gate for anybody. I repeat, do not open that gate for anybody until I ask you to do so. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, sir. This instruction, does it include Madam because she has not come back yet?
Ina Yala. No, man. Did he not say anybody or untalk much again?
At all. Corporal, don't try me. Don't try me. Yes. Now, get out!
Thank you.
Stop this thing and just get out!
Yes, sir.
Can you imagine? So, she... Oh.
You will get enough.
Okay.
Just calm down. Just calm down.
Okay.
Just calm down.
Annabel. All right.
Sorry. I am sorry for the heartbreak.
Mama.
Nna, should I warm soup for you?
No, I'm okay. But have you eaten, Mama?
I'm okay. Just want to see you happy.
Annabel.
Ndo.
I will teach this girl.
This girl has broken my son's heart. Oh. Anyị emeriwo. Anyị emeriwo.
Oh, my madam. But how can I explain this my position to my madam? Come to think of it, why will Oga be so heartless to madam? Why? Since this Oga's mama came to this house, she's a winjo. Yes. The love, the joy we used to enjoy in this compound, all of them just went away like that. What can I do? What can I do? Hello, madam.
Didn't you hear my car horning? Come and open the gate for me.
Madam, I'm sorry. I heard your horn loud and clear. But Oga warned me seriously that I should not open the gate for you. I begged him. I even told him that your car broke down on your way when you are coming back. But he insisted. He said if I dare open the gate for you, he will throw me inside jail. Madam, please now, please. Or correct, ma. please use your handset to call him. Do me this little favor, Beacon. Please. Eh? He's inside. Yes, he's inside.
Yeah, I know. Everything I said that I will send to you, I will do that. Yeah, I'm just about leaving. Okay, I'll send you the information now. Would you take your stinking self out of my gate?
Good morning, Owen.
What is good about the morning? What stupid morning are you talking about?
So you intentionally locked me out so that I could sleep outside.
Are you asking me that stupid question? Huh? What responsible woman comes back home at the time you came back home?
My car broke down and I kept on calling you, but you refused to pick your call. Is that how real men do?
You're asking me that stupid question?
My car...
Shut the hell up! Where's the keys? Give me the keys. I said give me... Corporal, see, go into that car. Huh? Drive that car out. When I drive out, park the car inside here and give the keys to my mom. Nonsense, woman. Stupid woman. Nonsense. Stupid woman.
Because I really love me.
with me. It is who I want to stay that will stay. And who I want to go that will go. You think it is by love? It is by the power of this breast that he sucked. My son will never go against my wishes. Nonsense. Hello, Mom.
Hello, Mama.
Your girlfriend just carried her load and went to. It's not me that chased her.
Is it not better? Let her go, Mama. Do not bother yourself at all. I am bringing to you a better woman, beautiful and well-mannered. You will like her, and she's the one that...
Hey, what? Kibira, because do and bring the girl. Let this Annabel know that we were just tolerating her. Huh? Odogu. Hey! There are many fishes in the sea. Nobody, no woman should come here and feel too important. It may nonsense, nah. Even if they bring 1,000 girls here, anyone I don't like, you go until I find the right fit for my son. My son, Marama, where go? I'll get it for them. Goodbye, Annabel.
It's okay, Annabel, it's okay. It's okay. Please, please. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying, please. It's okay. Listen, I will make sure I get to the root of this. I will make sure. Don't worry, you don't have anything to worry about. I'm going to call Owen and talk to him about this, okay?
No, don't call him. If he and his mother come here begging, I'm not going back again.
Annabel, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying like this. Please, 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 please. Look at you. You're so messed up right now. It's okay. Listen.
I don't understand.
I do. I'm surprised. Listen. I know you're upset right now. I'll tell you what. Why don't I take you to my guest room, so that you will relax, freshen up, get something to eat. Then later, we'll figure out a way to handle this whole situation, okay? Please, it's okay. It's okay, please, come with me, okay? It's okay, I'm very, very sorry about this. I'm so sorry. I will talk to him. I promise you, just come, okay? Let me get your bag for you. Just come. It's gonna be okay, okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
Yeah, come. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Mama? Waiting, let me check on my mom, eh? Yeah, just. Mama? Okay. I think she's upstairs, so yeah, let's go so you see her.
Are you sure?
Yeah, come. Mama! Go see my mom. Mama?
Mom, I'm coming down.
Mama?
Hey, is this our August visitor?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, when them they get up. Hey, so beautiful and respectful. Oh, man, Azure. Shy. My spirit has accepted. Oh, this is my daughter-in-law. I can feel it in my spirit, and my spirit is never wrong.
So silly, she's beautiful, Mama.
Now this one is more than beautiful. Plus beautiful plus manners. The combination is a bomb.
Mama, she is moving in immediately to take care of you while I'm gone away to Abuja.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You are welcome, Nem.
Thank you, man.
You are welcome, darling.
Thank you.
Chai.
Okay, so where's the kitchen? Yeah, why yours?
Okay, the kitchen is this way.
Okay, let me descend the
You have this.
This is the best job. Best. Yeah, Annabel. Forget about it.
I
Babe, it has happened. It has happened. Oh, babe, where's my bag?
What happened?
It has happened. It has happened. It has happened. It
What
has
happened?
I told you that
You're
Owen.
packing your bag. What?
Yes, now. I told you Owen was madly in love with me. Do you know what happened? He took me to go see his mother. When his mother saw me, she was carried away. And now, Owen is traveling to Abuja. He said I should come take him to the airport because he's leaving tomorrow. You know what? After taking him to the airport, I'm going to go back home and stay with his mother. He's talking marriage. Your girl is getting married.
Let me see this guy you're talking about.
See who? When I was telling you, look at him. Say you say you're not interested. That all the guys are frauds. Now you're interested.
Sonia, you hardly show interest in guys.
My sister, I'm interested in this one. I'm interested in this one. Just tick. Pack him. I'm
Sonia.
out of here.
Sonia, this is him now.
This is who?
I know this guy. He's actually friends with Obed.
Obed.
In fact, they are more like brothers.
Oh, really?
But that's not my worry. My worry is that his mother controls him a lot.
Well,
he was dating this nice, fine lady. Beautiful, nice lady.
Okay.
But his mom came and things scattered. They even threw her out of the house.
That's true. She's a
This
baby girl.
Owen.
Listen.
I know him now.
Listen. I know how to handle mothers. Leave mothers for me. I know how to handle them. What?
Okay, well, you say so.
Yep. Mothers are not a problem to me at all.
It's Owen.
Yes.
His mother controls him.
Baby girl, I don't know what you're saying. I'm getting married.
To this Owen.
Before.
Are you sure of that? I know
Before.
him. He's more like, no. I know this Owen now.
No worries, mother is not going to do anything. By the way, Owen is outside. Why don't you come and say hello to him?
No, I'm not in the mood to socialize. We'll talk later.
Can I have my phone? I will update you as everything goes. Take care.
My cousin is in love. Be safe. She'll come back.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening. Has he traveled?
Yes, he took the 4 p.m. flight, and then I went into town to see a friend of mine.
Eh? You carried my son's car to go and see your friend. That car, it is not like any car in your father's compound. It is not Volkswagen, you know. This car is a quarter Keneze. One vroom of the car, fuel na ya. With the cost of fuel, we don't do that here. In this house, prudence is our watchword. Prudence in capital letters. We don't waste money anyhow. The fact that my son is rich doesn't mean you should finish his money.
Yes, Mama. I'm very sorry, Ma. It won't repeat itself. All right, Ma. Let me go up and freshen up. Thank you. I'm sorry, Mama.
That is how to put them in their place. You put a small fear inside them. Shake them up a little. Before they start growing wings. So that from the beginning, they will know who is in charge in the house. That is how to treat daughters-in-law. Let them know that I am the main queen. They are just subordinates. Hey! Hey! Look at how this one just yakashare her whole body. Just to imbibe into the bed by this time of the day.
What is that now? What's that?
What sort of rubbish is this one?
Mama,
you are still sleeping by this time.
Please, what time is it that you're
trying
to shout like this?
As your human clock. Ask me now. Ask me. Let me answer you. You are asking me what time it is. You are very stupid, dear. They didn't train you at home?
Mama, 7 a.m.
We will not eat in this house.
What are you eating? Is it because of food that you came to flog me on my bum? Don't try it again, no.
Chineke.
Don't try it again.
Hey.
What is wrong with you now? Did you wake me up by 7 a.m. because of what?
Chineke.
Are you okay?
You're even coming at me with Hey! Hey! Bia! Dukwese! It's like you have not heard who Cecilia is. Go outside and ask about Cecilia. I'm not an easy meat to chew. I will send you out of this house the way I sent other guests.
Mama, what is it? Eh? You will send me out of this house like what? Is your son's house the gateway to heaven? What is wrong with you now?
Hey, it is my son's house you are abusing like that. Has your father put up one cement block and you are abusing my son's? No problem. You are going to see. I am going to, except it is not this breast that he sucked. He's going to send you out of here.
Which breast? This one. Is this one breast? Is this thing breast? See what he's sucking now. I'm sure all the time your son sucked your breast. The few days I've met him, the way he has sucked this one, he didn't suck your own like that. What is wrong with you, sir? Eh? What is wrong with you? This rubbish of fire breast. This one breast.
Don't worry, I'm going to call my son.
Call him for violation. Come, give me that rubbish phone. If you talk rubbish, I'll fling this thing on the ground. Are you mad? Who do you want to call? You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. See, let me tell you. When I was coming here, they gave me your gist. And I came prepared. I came prepared for you, this woman. I am war. Let me tell you, I will kill you. Who is this? Call him. Oh yeah, call him. Take it. Let me tell you, go and tell your son. If you call your son and he sends me out of this house, wallahi, my basi, I will arrange area boys 20,000. That is what they will use and kill your son. You will be here. Police will come and call you that. You should come and identify your body. Are you alright?
Blood of Jesus.
Shut up! Don't take blood of Jesus or anything before I smack your face. Blood of Jesus what? When you were busy showing wickedness to other people, you don't remember blood of Jesus. You're saying blood of Jesus. You don't know me, oh. Go and ask question, mama. Go and ask. Me, I'm bad. I am bad, very bad. I was the one that killed my ex-husband. Go and check.
Jesus!
Yeah, go and check. Yes, talking nonsense. Oh yeah, take this phone and call your son.
I don't need it.
Take this phone now.
Take
this phone and call him.
I don't want.
Take this phone and call him.
I don't want, please.
Coming to wake me up this morning because of what? Who is this?
I'm very sorry, ma. Please, ma.
I'm mad though. My head is not correct like this. You say they cannot chew you. You are what? We have meat that they cannot chew. Me, I'm shit water. They know they carry me do anything. Now shit water I be. They talk nonsense. Oh, you go call your son now. Rubbish human being. They talk, they say go call your son. Go and call him.
I have a lot of choice.
Come back here. Who asked you to leave? Who asked you to leave?
I'm sorry, ma.
Come here. Huh? I said come here. Oh yeah, raise your face.
Eh?
I say raise your face. Don't look at me.
Hey, I'm not wanting.
I say look at me. I'll slap your face. So.
Hi, Chukuname.
Look at my eyes. What are you seeing?
Hey, it's not good. It's not good. What
Abby?
I'm seeing.
What you're saying is not good, Abby. Don't try me. Don't try me in this house. Do you understand? Don't try me. If you like that, your son, just stay calm. Choose peace. Because if you say it's violence you want, you will scatter everything. Your son self will die.
No.
Do you understand?
I'm a Christian.
Shut up! When I'm talking, you don't talk. Why are you?
Sorry, ma. Can I look down now?
Did I ask you to talk?
Sorry, ma.
Did I ask you to talk? Come on, smell out.
Hey, Abalabio. Hey, my son brought a
Stop
man.
there! Stop there!
Hey.
Turn. See what you're going to do. You see this room? You come and sweep and arrange it.
Okay, ma.
You go downstairs, you clean and arrange everywhere.
Okay, ma.
And then you make me something to eat.
Okay, ma.
Yes, that's your job. That's what you're supposed to be. You're not supposed to stress me for anything.
Yes, ma.
Yes,
no.
I came to enjoy. I didn't come to suffer.
Yes, ma.
Thank you. So, what do you have in the kitchen?
Anything you want, ma.
You make me rice and pepper soup.
Okay.
Good.
Fish or meat?
Fish.
Okay, ma. Croaker or catfish?
If you ask me silly question, I'll slap your mouth.
I'm sorry, ma. I just want to serve you better, ma.
I come.
Hey, what's up?
Why you do your face like that?
No, sorry.
Bring down your hand. I'm talking to you. Stand erect.
Hey. Sorry, ma.
Come.
Hey.
I say come.
Hey.
If I put my leg on the ground.
I'm not worthy to come to
I
your
say
presence.
come here. Keep your face up.
Hey.
Smile. I say smile. Mm-hmm. Do like this. Is that the smile? Why are you making that sound?
Hey, my son brought
Stop there! Stop there! Stop there!
Hey.
Turn. I kneel down there and say, I'm sorry, ma, I will not do it again.
Hey, Nemo, is it only kneeling down? No, I can go further.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry, ma, I'll never do it again.
It's only you that have a son.
Hey, Nemo.
I have to stand up before you dirty my floor for me.
Can I go, ma? Can I go, ma?
Bend your head down. I turn with your head bended. Yeah, get out.
Hey,
Look at that.
Hey,
The first person to have a son. I'll call my son. See the nonsense phone. What is this one? Or what? The phone does not even have a name. I'll call my son. You're the first person to have a son. Let me come down there. My food is not ready.
Hey, my daughter, you're awake.
Have you cleaned that wash hand basin?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you clean it with?
I used...
Go back and clean it. Go back. Hey, baby. I miss you too. When are you back?
Babe, I will be coming back home day after tomorrow. The deal is going on fine, so I should run it by then. What of my mother? I've been calling her phone since.
Yeah, she's doing all right. I'm sure maybe she's somewhere. You want to speak to her? Let me call her. Mama! Baby, she's here now. Owen wants to talk to you.
Hello, Nam.
Mama, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I hope you are getting along fine with my wife-to-be.
Yes, she's a very nice girl.
I was calling you, but your line is switched off. Why?
I forgot to charge the phone. Nam, when are you coming home?
I'm coming back next tomorrow. Do you want me to get you something?
I don't need anything. I'm all right.
Okay, Mama. Give the phone back to Sonia. Babe, I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you too, baby. Don't forget to get my kilishi for me.
No problem.
All right, bye, baby. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Why are you looking at me? Come on, concentrate and do what you're doing. More so, where's the food I asked you to prepare?
It's ready, ma.
It's ready. And where is it?
It's in the kitchen.
It's in the kitchen, right? It's the kitchen that will eat it. Have you given food to the gate man?
No, ma.
No. What are you waiting for? Or you're going to give him food, come back to your work fast. And don't forget to bring mine.
Corporal. Take.
Mama, are you the one that brought food for me? You could have called me so that I'll come and collect it. Pico. Eh?
Just take this.
Cecilia.
Take. Ma!
Cecilia.
Ma!
My friend, come back here. Where are you going to?
Ma?
I have clothes in my room. All right? I want you to go pack them and wash them clean and iron them.
Please, Sorry, I'm not trying to disrespect you, but please, my hand. I sprained my hand and it has been paining me. I might not be able to do that. The washman is coming this weekend. He will wash all your clothes for you. He does it well. Oh?
You sprained your hand?
Yes, ma.
I thought you're the one that is so big on prudence. So now you want to waste money? Huh? Or you want to waste my husband's money? And you think I will allow that?
It's not like that.
I will not repeat myself. Now move.
Yes, ma. Somebody just pack all these things and give somebody. Huh? Hey. Hey! Nyakwa panto awukwa. Onekbu. Anta nekbu. What kind of bomb word is that? It's as if it hasn't been washed for 17 long years. This smell is like latrine that has stayed in hellfire for a long time.
Correct, ma. Mommy, these clothes you are holding, they are not yours. What's happening? Oh, correct, ma.
See these things?
Yes, ma.
Wash them carefully.
Yes, ma.
Cecilia.
Yes, ma.
Hold your ears. I said wash them carefully.
Yes, ma.
Don't use detergent.
Yes, ma.
Use soap.
Yes, ma.
Don't use detergent.
Yes, ma.
Use soap.
Yes, ma.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Careful how you treat the ones who love you. Some good things don't come more than once in life. Be careful how you treat the ones who love you. Please tell me how you feel about me.
Something is wrong. I said something is wrong here. Mama, the Thatcher is the one being bullied by another young woman. What kind of person is this woman? Moreover, who is she? But wait, this mama deserves every treatment she's getting from this woman. The moment mama came into this house, Olga threw away that decent and obedient Annabel, and then brought this tigress. Now look at it. Fugononye chokamanja, oyare manja.
Please tell me how you feel about me, because I really love you. Don't let me perish in life. Be careful how you treat the ones who love you. Some good things.
Baba, Corporal, take my bag from me. I miss you, Mama.
Thank God you're back safely.
Mama, why are you crying? Did somebody die?
I was just afraid something happened to you.
He's back now, Mama, so you can suck breast. Eh?
Mama, now, are you okay? Huh?
Maybe she just wants you to suck breast.
Oh, you miss me, Mama. See, I am famished. Huh? So, I don't know if there's something to eat.
Babe, Mama actually asked me to go pick you up while she prepares something for us to eat. Is the food ready?
Yes, I made soup.
You know, I love the bond between the two of you. I'm famished. I'm going to eat. I'm not going to suck.
Mama, did you hear that? She doesn't want to suck. She wants food.
Are you sure you're okay?
She's okay, baby. She's okay.
Cobra!
You bring it. The car is still open.
All right. Okay. Oh.
Wow. Table is set.
Yes. Where's Mama? Huh? I would love us to eat as a family, you know. Where's she?
Mama? Let me check. Maybe she's in the kitchen.
Okay.
Mama? Where is she? What are you doing here?
Hey.
Huh? Are you supposed to come and stand up?
I was just sitting down here.
You were just sitting down here? Huh? You think I don't know what you want to do? Is that what you think? I know what you want to do. You want to act a giveaway attitude so your son will be concerned. It's fine. No, it's fine. But let me warn you. If you give away any attitude and he suspects, believe me, I will kill him.
But please
I
don't
will kill him.
Don't say anything.
If you like to tell him. If you like, don't tell him. It's not fight. He's there. He's in the dining.
Mama. Where have you been? Where did you find Mama?
She was outside, though. Just there sweeping something that is not there.
Mama. Sit. Mama, sit down. Huh? I would love us to eat as a family. You know how much I love to eat with you, Mama.
Mama, this is your son's house. This is your son's house. I say mothers are so funny. Just want to walk. Baby, yeah, just thank you. Mama, these people like to walk.
I know.
What?
Mama, are you okay?
I'm alright. And there's nothing wrong with me.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm alright though. I'm very okay. I didn't say there's anything wrong. Did I say there's anything wrong with me? I'm okay.
Mama.
It's okay.
But my husband is right. Are you sure everything is okay with you? You don't seem okay.
I'm okay. I'm very happy.
You're sure? But you know you can tell me if there's any problem.
Yes.
I love how you care for my mother.
Of course she's my mother-in-law.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby. Babe.
Come to me, baby.
Yeah. So, babe. I want you to connect me with any of your friends, because there's this idea I have, and anyone who invests in it is going to get 30% of the profit. I'm supposed to supply some materials for the Quest refinery, but I'm short of money. I have 5 million on ground, but what I need is 10 million.
Wow. Honestly, I didn't know that you make supplies to Nzokwe refinery construction. To think that I've been trying to, pitch contract to them for some time now, but to no avail. Yes. How did you get it?
A cousin of his is my friend. Okay. truth is,
Mm-hmm.
the guy is asking me out. Hold on. I told him I'm married.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's fine if you want to get close to them. I can just introduce you when I'm going there to supply.
You do that?
Mm-hmm.
You're so sweet, baby.
No.
You know what? I'm not going to get anyone to invest into that. I am going to do it myself. Yes.
For real?
Yes, I'm investing into my woman. I'm doing myself. What is for you is for me.
You, baby.
What is for me is for you. Okay?
Yeah.
So, when do you want it? When do you want me to send it?
If you can send it now, so I'll just make the transfer to the suppliers.
Enough.
Now?
Enough.
Okay.
Don't talk much.
Yep.
Okay. Done.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You know that I love you.
I love you too, baby. Who is there?
Mama.
Owen, your friend is in the sitting room waiting to see you.
Mama. So you cannot say Sonia's husband, your friend is here to see you.
Anything for you. Sonia's husband, your friend is in the sitting room waiting to
That's
see
my
you.
mother-in-law.
I really like the bond between you and my mother.
Me too. Right, Mama?
Very strong.
Mama, why are you so up close? Are you okay?
In church, they cautioned us to show more humility, so I'm just trying.
Mama can be so funny
You're so funny. Okay, babe, let's go downstairs and see my
babe,
friend, huh?
Just go, I'll meet you downstairs.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
I want my baby to be my friend. You don't want to?
I'm coming.
Okay, baby.
All right.
Oh. I like the bond between you and Sonia. How did it start?
So, have you thought about what I told you about your wife?
Wait, which wife are you talking about? Huh? If it's Annabel, forget it. Because she's long gone, long forgotten, my brother. Huh? See,
Owen.
I found a new woman.
Owen.
New babe. Why would you call her Owen? She's upstairs.
Owen. Owen, that's not fair.
What's not
You
fair?
couldn't even give Annabel a chance.
What are you talking about?
You see what I keep telling you about your mother and your fiancés?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Listen, I know that my mother has got a fault. Okay? But see, Annabel is no wife material. 0 yards. That's what she is. Come on, my guy. See, let me tell you. If you see my new babe,
How many babes, guy?
listen, how many babes? How many babes I don't get?
How many babes?
Relax now. They talk now. Relax. If you see my baby, you see my wife to be. No eyes just go to pop this way.
I thought you said me no play with that girl.
Wait. You know what? Let me just call her. Huh? I'm coming.
Owen.
Babe!
You change babe this time. Tomorrow you change another babe. Every time your mom is always having influence on you.
Hey, my guy. Yeah. Hey, babe. Easy.
Hi.
The babe, meet Obed, meet Sonia, my babe.
Hi, Obed. Hi.
Hi, Sonia. Pleased to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
Babe, this is my childhood friend. He's like a brother to me.
Yeah.
Please, entertain him.
No. There wouldn't be any need for that. Owen, I was actually in a hurry to somewhere. So
Hurry to where? Hurry to where?
No time. Just come and see me.
What no time? You remember we have some discussion.
We can have that discussion later.
Sorry, babe. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Mama wants to see you immediately. So you can just hurry up and come see him off.
You see, far more reason for you to wait. Huh? So just sit and wait. My baby will keep you company. Huh? All right?
Okay, baby.
All right, baby.
Alright, I'll just give him something to drink.
All right.
Owen, where are you?
Look me. Look me. You the Grace. Oh, you won't carry your own taste by my own, Abi? You won't carry Owen go outside, make you go tell him waiting. Waiting, you won't go tell him. Guy, look me.
Not.
You won't go tell him waiting. It be like say you don't forget say I get that video. And I hear say you go meet your uncle wife. Yes, nah. You forget. Now area you dey deal with. I dey follow you. I know your scores. I know. So if they try do anything, don't forget say me, I know your own levels too. If you spoil my own, I know waste time, but scatter your own. So don't try yourself. And don't forget say you still dey owe me. My 200k, you never balance me, you go still pay me that money. So you better say you relax, make everybody take get peace. Or if you say na scatter, you won't scatter, we'll come and scatter everything. And anytime my body take do anything, you know. So just stay. I'll give you a drink.
It's no problem.
So sit down. Stay calm.
Okay. I'm sitting down. I'm calm. It's good to meet you. It's okay. Thank you. I am okay. Okay, bring it. Hello, Uncle, good evening.
Good evening, my son. How are you?
Uncle, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all.
I'm not fine until you help me beg your niece.
Let her come back home, for God's sake. I really miss her, my son.
Actually, it's because of her that I'm calling you. Are you far away? Can we meet at my place?
Oh, Uncle, I'm actually very, very far away. Yeah, I can't meet you. But please, what's the news about my wife?
Well, the family just finished a meeting with her, and she said her decision is final. She said she's not coming back to you, and she's moving on with her life. I'm so sorry about that, my son. As time goes on, I'll figure out a place where we can return your bride price. Have a nice day.
You are the reason why this heart can't love another. What my heart desires, I find in you. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good and lost in your fantasy. You are the reason why this heart can't love another. What my heart desires, I find in you. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good. I'm lost in your fantasy. Please tell me how you feel about me. Because
Obed, are you alright?
It's over. Nancy is not coming back to me.
I'm so sorry about that.
Annabel, I'm losing everything.
Please don't say that. That's not the end of life. If I can bear, you too can. Besides, you have Dami. She's a good woman.
I messed this up with Dami, thinking I was gonna get back with Nancy. Dami is long gone.
Please, put yourself together. I'm begging you. Take it easy with yourself. Everything is going to be fine. Have you eaten?
No, thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you.
Babe, wait, let me fold.
No, come on, you don't have to fold it.
Babe, wait, why?
I want to spend time with you.
Wait. You don't, baby, hold on. Wait. Let me just fold it. Just hold on. This is someone's at the door.
Yeah, but we can do it quick.
What? Do what quick? Stop. Who?
Oh, Mama.
Mama. Well, you didn't remember the 50K you promised to give me because I need to give it to Wanyama to buy yam seedlings for me.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mama. I'm so sorry. I forgot.
Yes,
You know what? Let me just make transfer.
Wanyama doesn't have account. Ebuka, Adanna's son, is going to the village tomorrow. So if you give me now, I will carry the cash and give Ebuka. He will hand it over to Wanyama in the village tomorrow.
You think that's the best thing to do?
Yes.
Babe, just transfer to me. I'll give my money cash.
Olo, one because if you can just give me the cash, I'll prefer to give it.
My husband obviously doesn't have cash.
Yes, I do have cash, Mama.
I'll give you cash.
It's your daughter now, Mama. She's just trying to help. So I will just make the transfer.
Yes, baby, just make the transfer.
Okay, I will be with you in 10 minutes, yeah? Hey, babe, see, Obe just called, and he said his attempt on getting back his wife failed. So he's very devastated. I need to be there. Okay? So just give Mama the cash, eh?
No,
Mama,
you do the transfer to me, baby.
Yeah, I'll do the transfer and then give the cash. Mama, don't worry, Mama.
If you can give me the cash, what can more time?
Baby, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just keep this for you.
Okay, Mama, you're here, baby.
Mama, just stop at POS and get the cash and give it to me!
Look at me. So, I'm telling you something. You're challenging me in front of your son. Abby? Abby? You squeeze your hand like this. Like this. See my hand. I see my hand. Knock yourself.
Okbo.
I said knock yourself. What's that? Should I knock you myself? Should I knock you myself? Or you knock yourself? I want to hear the sound.
Hi!
Good, that's it. Come on, look at me. Next time, when I talk and you open your mouth to talk, you see what I'll do to you. To call it 50,000. Because of what? Aya, get out. Get out.
Hey, bro. I am really sorry about your marriage.
It's fine. It's fine. It's no problem.
Yeah. It's not.
Owen. The reason why I called you here today is to talk to you about Annabel. Yes. Owen.
Stop this thing.
Owen. Owen. Brother, listen to me. I need you to go inside right now and reconcile things with her. Make amends. Please.
Are you serious right now? So this is why you called me here? Eh? That you called me here to talk about your marriage failing, but you called me to trick me to go in there and then what? Apologize to Annabel?
Yes.
That witch.
Owen, she is not a witch. She is not a witch. Now, you see that girl you kept in your house, whatever her name is, Sonia.
Yes, Sonia.
You see that girl is the
Sonia.
witch.
She's not a witch.
She is the witch.
She is a special one.
Owen, listen to me. That girl is nothing but a reptile. She is mad. She is crazy. That girl is a prostitute.
Oh, stop this thing! What are you talking about? How dare you, brother, use those words on a woman that I want to make my wife? How dare you, brother? So this is your plan, eh? For you to invite me here, to go in there, kneel down, go down on my knees and beg that stupid thing and drop Sonia.
Of course. Of course. Owen, come.
What is it?
Calm down.
What is it?
Owen, listen to me. We've been friends since we were kids.
Yes, I know.
I will never let you go into harm's way and do nothing about it. Okay, check this out. Remember that day I called you and asked you to borrow me 500k? Yeah? Good. That money was for Dami and her cousin. Guess who her cousin is? Sonia!
Thank you.
Wait.
Oh,
wait.
Nice story.
Wait.
Stop this thing.
I'm not done. Do you know what they did that day? They both came to my house and embarrassed me in front of my neighbors and everybody.
Wow.
Sonia held my shirt and Dami made a video. And Sonia threatened to send the video to Nancy, telling her that she's a prostitute whom I slept with and refused to pay. Can you imagine that? Owen, this girl is not good for you. This girl is not good for you. Listen, bro. Listen. Have I ever lied to you since we were kids?
Maybe, no.
I've never. Even if I have, now I am not lying, for God's sake, Owen! I'm not lying now. Take it from me, brother.
Yeah.
Please. I don't want you to go down that road. Because if you go down that road, you wouldn't like what you will find. Sonia is not good for you. Annabel is beautiful for you. Please, Owen, make things work with her. She's just inside there right now. You can just go inside and reconcile things with her. She's waiting.
True.
Please. Okay, you know. Just chill. If you don't want to go inside there, I will go inside and I'll bring her. You guys will sit down here. We'll talk about one family now. My guy, relax. I'm coming. Just wait. My guy. That's why I like you. Oh, Owen! Unbelievable.
Where are you going to? What about the 50,000? What is it? Enter inside. Lock yourself inside and don't come down. Move.
Honey? Babe!
Owen! Owen is that? Owen, I'm inside here!
Mama!
Owen, I'm inside here!
Mama! What's happening? Mama!
I thank God I'm still alive to see your face.
What are you talking about, Mama?
Sonia commanded me to enter my room and lock myself inside. Who am I to say no?
Huh? Sonia asked you to lock yourself inside?
Hey! Since you traveled, there's nothing that girl has not used my eye to see. I've been eating sand. This girl has rubbed my mouth in the ground. Hey, every day, I will cook for her. I will sweep for her. Even self, I've been washing her pants.
Oh God.
Nasa panty. The partners.
Hey!
That is what I've been suffering since you've not been around. She told me that the moment I open my mouth, I tell you that she's doing anything to me, that she will call boys that will kill you.
Jesus Christ.
Out of fear, I've just been obeying and I've seen a lot. I've been through a lot.
Hey! Obed was right. Mama. Obed told me that this woman is a criminal. Obed told me she's a criminal.
She's a criminal.
She took my 5 million naira.
Yes, sir.
5 million naira.
5 million.
Mama.
No.
Hey, Mama, she took my money.
Please, the money is not important. Just let it go. Let it go.
No, Mama. I will make sure that she pays for it.
Wait, that girl is very dangerous, please. That girl knows all the criminals in this city. Please, that 5 million, let's just pretend that it is my allowance for 5 years. Okay. Just don't give me any allowance for the next 5 years.
Calm down. This is what I'm going to do, okay? I am going to find her, look for her, arrest her, and make sure that she faces the law.
That money, Miko, leave that in there.
Mama, she made you wash a panty.
What is
you ate sand?
It has digested already.
No way, Mama.
The pot is like perfume.
Not my mother.
Mama,
wait for me. You deal with her.
Hello, Owen.
Listen here, I need to see you. Where are you?
I'm at home.
I'm coming over right away.
I'll be waiting for you.
leave my house without telling me. And then you maltreat my mother, you lock her in the room, and then you leave? How about the money that I told you to give her? You never gave it. What is wrong with you?
I beg. Don't carry that nonsense come my side, though. No, just go there. You hear me so? Even before I come down to the house, people don't they tell me. Yes, they don't they tell me, say this your mama, if they like control everybody. Say all the girls who don't come now, say don't pursue them. She even use her mouth tell me, the boss say that so she they pursue everybody if she don't want the person. You hear me? And she can't they try me, she can't pull me for armpit. Guy, look me where. I know the person they put for armpit. You hear? And I know say she will control you too. So don't carry that madness of you and your mama console me for it because you go see the one with past grace.
You are speaking broken English with me.
And so what?
Is this you?
Yes.
Sonia.
Now me.
Hey.
Now me.
Obed told me, but unfortunately I didn't believe it.
Does it concern me?
Now I see it for myself.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Does it concern me?
Give my money.
Which money?
I said give me my money.
Which money? Which money?
The 5 million I gave you to support that your contract or whatever. Give my money. I want my money.
See where you signed the contract now. You don't forget. When you did it, do you know? Bros, you knock me for 7 straight days. You know how much will it be? Like, I see, bros, don't try yourself. Not just try yourself. I go use this thing like this, eh? I go wipe your brain come up from your skull. Come try yourself now. Bring documents now. You decide you carry woman, carry people out, they knock morning, evening, and night. But they tell me say 5 million. 5 million for what?
So I gave you money.
Which money?
I gave you 5 million naira. I gave you 5 million.
Okay, so the knock we knock for 7 days now for waiting. Okay, it say my toto na free. I dey do a show free. I no be that kind of person.
I gave you money.
For waiting. For knock where you knock now. You knock abi you no knock.
I gave you money.
I
gave you money to support your business.
You knock abi you no knock. You just wake up this morning. If that's not Sonia, now you remember. Abi, you won't call your call for yourself. Try am now when you see the one with past grace. You dey mad. Kolo dey your head. See. You be like say this your color. You don't like am, abi? You don't like her. They go stitch your head now.
Sonia, give my money. Sonia, I need my. If you don't give me my money today, I am not living here. I need my 5 million. Hey, 5 million. Calm down. Let me advise you as a police officer. Leave this woman alone. Please, leave her alone. You are the one that made the whole mistake. How can you go into a business with a woman for 5 million naira? You did not sign anything. No document whatsoever. Her case is very genuine. She said you knock her for 7 good days and you pay her for the money for the services she rendered. That's all. And you don't have any documentary evidence whatsoever, whether the money is from mama or for the contract. And what kind of contract is that? Okay. She gave you room service for 7 days. And that's the money you pay for her? Hey. See, you are an ex-police officer. Okay. Now this is what I want you to do. Yes. See, I want you to go inside there. Take my money. If you don't get my money, don't come back home. Do you hear what I'm saying? Go. If you don't get my money, do not come back. See, 5 million, not 4 million. 5 million.
Oh, that's not the one that enjoy your house. You're the one who. How can I get the money back now?
Try me. Try me. Try me.
I will bring it when I don't enjoy.
Mama, what's happening? Stand up, Mama.
Let me stay like this. Let me stay like this.
What's happening, Mama? Huh?
I am the one that caused everything.
Caused what, Mama? What are you talking about?
I'm the one that made a devil like Sonia to find her way into your life. Because I chased away all the good ones. All the girls that have been coming here, I'm the one that has been frustrating them because I wanted to show them that I'm in charge of your life.
Mama, you are joking.
Annabel is a very good girl, oh. You lost something. You lost good material, dear. That girl, always a bomb mad. The girl is respectful and kind. She did not disrespect me one day.
Mama.
All that time I told you that she was leaving the house is a lie. I'm the one that was threatening her. I'm the one that slapped her. I'm the one that even stabbed her stopped her from eating food sometimes. I did so many wrong things to her because I wanted to subdue her. And when she went, now that's how this devil came and did all these things. It's my fault.
Mama, wait, so you're saying that you did all these things to Annabel?
I'm sorry.
And you watched me maltreat her, and you never said a word. Mama, Mama, you destroyed me.
God forbid, you are not destroyed. You are not destroyed. God forbid.
You've ruined me.
No, you are not ruined. God forbid, but
I believed you. Mama, I trusted you. I respected you. Every word you said, I took because you're my mother. How am I going to beg Annabel? Where would I find her? Where would I see her to beg her?
Please, we can look for her. I can follow you. I can follow you. Oh, I don't mind.
Mama.
Be careful how
Please, I'm sure you can find her somewhere. Just ask. Please bring her back. Mahara, oh, forgive your mother. Oh, forgive your mother. Oh, forgive your mother. Oh.
How you feel about me, because I really love me. Don't let me perish in lies. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Some good things don't come more than once in life. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you.
Yes, I know. All right, no problem. No problem. Once you get there, just call me, okay? Open the gate. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah? Definitely. Yeah, sure. You guys will get it. All right. No problem. Mama, you're welcome. Okay, welcome. Mama, sit down. Mama, sit down. Sit down. You guys are welcome. Relax, Owen. Calm down. Mama, calm down. Just calm down.
Yeah, calm
Relax. Why don't I get you guys something to do?
No. No time for pleasantries and all that. Please, where's Annabel?
Owen, relax.
Annabel.
Relax. If you want me to tell you.
I relax. Mama, we are relaxed, right?
The truth is that Annabel is not around.
No problem. Wait.
Just call her. Tell her we are here, please. That is important.
Can you guys just calm down a little bit, please? Owen, just chill. Allow me talk. You see, Annabel was actually the person I was talking to before you guys came in.
Okay.
And she called to tell me that she just landed Abuja.
Hey!
I'm really sorry.
Wait. Sit down. We're in Abuja. Wait in Abuja.
You're telling me, but I told you.
I said, I know you
told you, but you didn't listen to me.
Bro, now
I tried to warn you.
Now I know that you are right.
I told you to come in and reconcile with her, but you didn't listen.
What can we do?
Huh? You didn't listen.
Sonia messed up everything.
I told you that Sonia was not a good deal. You didn't listen to me.
He's a devil.
It's Owen.
Relax.
Relax.
See, I beg you, okay? Right now, I need you to give me the location where Annabel is in Abuja. Just tell me and I'll go there. First flight tomorrow morning and I'll be there.
Owen, it's fine. Just calm down. I need you to calm down.
I'm calm, oh.
You see, the thing is that I'll figure something out. Because right now, Annabel doesn't want to talk to you. She doesn't want to see you. But, Owen, take it easy. Just look, Owen, look at me. Owen, look at me. Owen, just Owen, look at me. Easy. See what's going to happen. I'm going to call her and tell her how sorry you are. Tell her how bad you feel about the whole situation. Then we'll try to work something out. You understand? But right now, she doesn't want to see.
Tell her it was the work of the devil. The devil was in my house, these guys.
But when I told you, you didn't listen. It's okay. You guys, what has happened has happened. We just try to figure it out. You know, you guys...
It's my fault, oh! It's my fault, it's not his fault, please die, it's me.
It's okay.
I didn't have any hand in everything, it's my fault. It's me, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Miko, please forgive your mother. Please.
It's okay. We'll figure something out. We'll definitely figure something out, okay?
I'm sorry.
You are the reason why this heart can't love another. What my heart desires, I find in you. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good. I'm lost in your fantasy. You are the reason why this heart can't love another. What my heart desires, I find in you. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good. I'm lost in your fantasy. Please tell me how you feel about me, because I really love me. Don't let me perish in lies. Be careful how you treat the ones who love you. Some good things don't come more than once in life. Be careful how you treat the ones who love you. Please tell me how you feel about me, because I really love me. Don't let me perish in lies. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Some good things don't come more than once in life. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you.